Hello, everyone. We're here for our next kind of writing project. We're going to be getting to do a brand new writing unit, which you'll see at the top there. It says opinion/persuasive writing. All week long, we're going to be getting to explore opinion writing. It's gonna be a really cool, exciting way for us to get to explore opinion pieces. To start us, I'm going to open up the opinion writing rubric, and I'm not gonna go totally in depth about all of this, but I'm going to use this just to kind of show you what some of our big goals of this are gonna be. Um, and so I'm actually just going to have us start by looking at the top. So you can see at the top it says just opinion rating checklist, and right here it says overall, and that's what our overall goal is going to be for this whole week. And it says, and you can read it with me, starting at I told readers, ready? I told readers my opinion and ideas on a text or a topic and help them understand my reasons. Um, and another way I can change that into like an I can statement. I can write my opinion and ideas on a text or a topic and help them understand my reasons. So that's really what you're going to be doing. You're going to be writing some writing pieces that basically explain your opinion about different topics. And most of these topics this week are going to be all about your choices. There'll be some themes. One will be like favorite food, another's going to be favorite TV show or movie. Another one, you get to totally choose your own topic. And then the end of the week, we're going to be choosing an important person in history. Now, when you're writing your opinion pieces this week, we are going to be following a structure. One of the first things that you're going to be doing is writing a lead. I'm just going to read the lead part for us to explain it. So lead starts off, I wrote a beginning in which I do not only set readers up to expect that this would be in a piece of opinion writing, but also try to hook them into caring about my opinion. And really what the lead is for this, it's different than like a nonfiction piece. You might start off with a fact or a question, like that you maybe would do with a nonfiction piece. But this is where you're trying to let the reader know, this is my opinion. You may not agree with it, but this is something I really feel strongly about. And you're also trying to get them sucked into it because you really want to hook them or have them read your opinion piece. Transitions. I connected my ideas and reasons with my examples using words such as, for example, and because. I connected one reason or example using words such as also and another. And I'll teach you kind of each day how to use those transition words. Ending. I worked on an ending, perhaps a thought or a comment related to my opinion. And usually that ending connects right into that lead. Basically, you were trying to re-say or restate what your opinion is, so the reader knows exactly how you feel. Organization. I wrote several reasons or examples of why readers should agree with my opinion and wrote at least several sentences about each reason. And then also I organized my information, so each part of my writing was mostly about one thing. And so basically our writing organizer that we're going to be using this week for opinion pieces, you'll see that it's laid out so that you can write several reasons, and I'll be teaching you how to then write sentences about those reasons. And then some other parts, like this is just development, like how to elaborate. I not only name my reasons to support my opinion, but also wrote more about each one. So instead of saying the first reason is pizza tastes delicious. You'll see that's my favorite food piece. You kind of explain a little bit more of why it does taste delicious. Craft. I not only told readers to believe me, but also wrote in ways that got them thinking or feeling in certain ways. So that's really where you're trying to use good adjectives, description words. You're trying to have the reader think the same way that you do. And then just the last one, language conventions, spelling. I used what I knew about word families and spelling rules to help me spell and edit, such as you're trying to do your best spelling. I got help from others to check my spelling and punctuation before I wrote my final draft. And it's nice because we're going to be doing it on your iPad. So it does a lot of spell check for you. But you can always ask anybody for help. Me, especially me. Send me a quick Google chat message if you need me for anything. And punctuation. I punctuated dialogue correctly with commas and quotation marks. Now this one, we're not going to be using any dialogue. If you want to use dialogue, totally fine, but we won't really. But while writing, I put punctuation at the end of every sentence. So that's definitely periods, question marks, exclamation points. Then I wrote in ways to help readers read with expression, read in some parts quickly, some slowly, some parts in one strata voice and others in another. And that's where you really like using exclamation points and question marks can really help. Now I'm going to go back. Now this rubric is here for you. So you can come back and relook at this anytime that you might want to. Especially just as we keep on writing these opinion pieces. You really just come take a look, wherever you think you might want to, take a look at it. So I am going to just stop right there though. And then when we come back, I'm going to show you some examples of some opinion pieces.